So we carefully select who our strategic partners are. We vet them. We make sure that they're offering something to our members. And we're trying to build and establish what that network partnership looks like. That's why people join a network, so that they can trust the people they're doing business with. So we're super excited. And I don't believe that the whole network understood everything that Pilot John does and is continuing to do, and how they're growing and what the capabilities are. From talking to people here at the show, I think one of the main things has been, yeah, we know Pilot John, we know that they sell GSE. I'm like, but do you know that they repair, that they trade, that they loan, that they're moving into the EV market? People don't know. So this is an awesome opportunity to explore some of the things that they didn't know you did. We're super excited about the opportunity to work with you guys even further.